Just wanted to show you what my hostas look like. I kind of intermingle them with everything else in my garden. So this is a semi-shade area. And you can see I have a couple of hostas tucked in and back there. And if you look across the water, I have a koi pond. Same color tones as these, but they're the reverse. So they still complement. And if you look back, the shrubs there are also in that chartreusey yellow color to bring out the same color here. So if that hosta there was just a bluey kind or with white on it, it wouldn't look as nice because I have like this thread of chartreuse throughout my whole garden. And it just helps a lot with the eye. When you look over the garden, it'll keep leading you around the whole thing when you see the same colors. This is a brand new hosta area. I call it my quarantine garden because I built this all during quarantine. So yeah, there's two hostas here. I have an Empress Wu that's getting a beating there because it's getting too much sun. I had to cut a tree. It was right over here. I've got a new tree over here, so it should help soon. If you look back here, I've got another piece of the Empress Wu, and then I have some blue that I inherited. I don't know exactly what they are, and then I have some guacamole in the back. Doesn't look as good because they're like, Empress Wu is more green, that's more blue, that's chartreuse, but it's kind of like my breeding ground, and I will take them out and I'll put them in other areas. I have little areas like that all over my garden where I plant stuff. So back there, do you see the chartreusey color again? It's going to be the link that's going to bring all the stuff into my garden. Kind of just makes it look really cohesive. And as I said, it's a brand new garden. It doesn't look great. It's being babied with hammock shading plants and all kinds of chairs, and that's just what I have to do in order to make it work until my redbud here grows up and can do the job for me.